Hello friends, welcome to my channel GSM Solution. Today I am teach you how to jailbreak Apple device iOS 12.4.8 iPhone 5, 6 and 6 Plus on Windows PC. If you want to learn more and new things about mobile software, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Boot Checkra1n. Connect your device, then click Start tab. My device jailbreak-in process take a time. My device jailbreak task complied. Go to Checkra1n and install Cydia. Jailbreak Apple device iOS 12.4.8 iPhone 5, 6 and 6 Plus on Windows PC task complied. Thanks for watching my video. Please support me, like, share and subscribe my channel.